everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a classic Roman snack, Maritozzi. These are sweet Italian buns with whipped cream filling and have been a staple since ancient Roman times. In medieval times, they became so popular that the church allowed it to be part of the Lent season. Hundreds of years later, it has also been tradition for a future husband-to-be to place a ring inside a maritozzo and present it to hopefully his future wife-to-be. That might be how it has that name because maritozzo means husband in Italian. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest video. So let's put on our chef's coats and let's get baking. For the bread of the Maritozzi, I am using a Sicilian-style brioche. To make it, you'll need a 1/4 cup and 3 tablespoons of lukewarm milk, 1½ teaspoons of dry yeast, 1 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, a 1/4 cup of softened unsalted butter, 1/3 cup and 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of honey, ½ teaspoon of salt, and the zest of 1 orange and lemon. And for the whipped cream filling, you'll need 1 cup of heavy cream, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. To get started, heat up the milk either in a microwave or over the stove until just warm. Add in the yeast to the milk, give it a quick stir, then set it off to the side to let the yeast dissolve. In a separate bowl, add in the sugar, orange zest, and lemon zest, then mix them together. This will help enhance the citrus flavors. Next, add in the honey and citrus sugar to the yeast milk mixture. Once everything is combined, add in the eggs and mix. In your electric mixer with a dough attachment, gradually add in the flour and salt until there are no more lumps. Add in the softened butter, either still using the mixer or by hand. On a lightly floured surface, knead the dough using the slap and fold method until it is smooth. This method helps give the dough structure. Place the dough into a lightly greased bowl and let it rise for 2 hours or until it doubles in size. Remove the dough from the bowl. Knead it with some light flour. Roll it into a thick log, then cut the dough into 6 even pieces. Roll and tuck the balls of dough into 3 parts one way, 3 parts the other way, and tuck in the 4 corners. Then I made a C shape with my hand and rolled the dough into the counter, giving it a round shape. I repeated the process and placed the rolls onto a sheet pan and then let them rise for an additional 45 minutes to an hour. While that is rising, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Brush the rolls with a mixture of 1 egg and some milk. Then let them bake in the oven for 20 to 30 minutes or until golden brown. While those are cooling, it's time to make the whipped cream. In an electric mixer, gradually add in the sugar to the whipped cream and let it whip on medium speed until it forms soft peaks. Then add in the vanilla and let it whip one more time. To assemble the Maritozzi, cut the middle of the brioche, but make sure not to cut all the way through. Fill in the buns with a generous amount of the whipped cream. With a spatula, smooth the filling, scraping off any excess cream. Top them off with a dusting of powdered sugar, and now you're ready to serve light, delicious Maritozzi. And that is it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest video. Also, share this video with your friends and family and tell them to subscribe as well. It's totally free to subscribe and we have a lot of fun on this channel. I had an absolute blast making the Maritozzi. These are another one of those simple but delicious snacks you cannot get enough of. Plus, I was being a very happy baker because my brioche came out perfectly. I don't do a lot of yeast breads, but I'm really glad how they came out. If you recreate the Maritozzi or any of the desserts I've made on this channel, please DM me at this Instagram account to get an awesome shout out. I would love to see your creations. Hope everyone is staying safe and well, enjoy your Maritozzi, and have a great day. Bye!